How to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete Instagram messages from both sides permanently. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, you simply have to tap on the chat icon which can be seen at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and now here, once you are in the DM section, simply select the chat where you want to delete the message from. So here, simply select the chat, and here once you are inside the chat, then you can simply find the chat that you want to delete. And here once you have found it, you simply have to long press on that particular chat, and once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on unsend, and once you do that, it will remove the messages from both sides, meaning the other person can't see it anymore. And that's it. That's how you can delete Instagram chat from both sides. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.